So now let's see how we can add in crawl text inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the text menu right here, and I'm going to go around under new text, and here you can see that default crawl is an option. So once you go around and do that, you can go around and add in a crawling text right here. So I'm just going to go around and say keep on watching and keep on learning right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and copy this and paste it time and again. So let's just go around over here and paste this out and so forth. You can go around and utilize this, as you can see right here. So you can go around, press the space bar and paste it out over here. So this is the scroll bar over here on the bottom. If I were to go around and keep this out over here just like this, and then let's say for example delete this, it doesn't matter. It simply goes around and scrolls out right here. Let me just go around and then select out all right here by pressing Ctrl A, and I'm going to apply a style to this. So let's say for example I'm going to go around and apply this style to it right here. So once I do that, if I were to go around and press the play button over here, so what happens is that it simply starts scrolling out from left to right, as you can see right here. So that is how it actually works out. You can go around and resize this out as well, and then the text scrolls right here just like this. And that is how the crawling text effect works. So you can see that it is playing right here just like this. It's a bit of a freeze, but that's okay. But you can see that that is how it actually works out right here. It starts scrolling out right here. So let me just go around and render it out right here. So let me just go around and then reduce the size so that I don't have to render much right here just like this. Let me just quickly render it just like this so that it plays smooth. And now if I were to go around and play it right around over here, you can see that the scrolling is quite smooth. So that is how you can work around with the crawl text inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.